Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this background. First, open a new document, get rid of the stroke and change the fill to a gradient of your choice. If you wish to use the same gradient as mine, here are the color values. Now switch to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle the size of your artboard. Lock layer 1 and create a new layer. Let's zoom out. Next, select the star tool and draw a small star. While you are still holding your mouse, press the up arrow key on your keyboard several times to add more points. While you are still holding your mouse, press and hold down the Control key and now drag your mouse out to create this effect. With the star still selected, switch to the Direct Selection tool, click on one of the round corner widgets and drag it. Let's swap the fill and the stroke. Bring the stroke to the front and apply a different gradient to it. Experiment with different type, direction and color. Let's change the stroke weight to 5 points. And scale this star down. Next, create a copy and move it to the other side. Let's scale it up and apply a different gradient, or use the same one that you used for the small star. Now select both stars and then double-click on the Blend tool. Set the spacing to specified distance and change it to 2 pixels. To create a blend, hover your mouse over the small star and when you see the asterisk next to the cursor, click on the star. Then move your cursor over the big star and when you see the plus sign next to the cursor, click on the star to create a blend. Let's move it away from the artboard. Next, select the Curvature tool and draw a curvy line across the artboard. Select the line and the blend object and then go to Object, Blend and choose Replace Spine. We could leave it as it is or we can adjust it a little bit more. Double-click on the little star to isolate it and rotate it. Now click on the big star and move it up a bit. With the blend object selected, use the Curvature tool to adjust the curve. And let's adjust the rotation of both stars to get a look you desire. We can also select one of the stars and adjust the gradient, for example. Let's exit the isolation mode. We could also create a wireframe look. First, select the blend object and then double-click on the blend tool. Now change the specified distance to a higher number and the stroke weight to a lower number. We could leave it as it is or go to Transparency and lower the opacity. To hide everything outside the artboard, go to View and choose Trim View. Or, if you don't have the Trim View option, create a rectangle to cover the artboard, select everything, and then go to Object, Clipping Mask, and choose Make. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.